Ladies and gentlemen, Trump is thinking about doing another executive order, this time denying entry to some U.S. citizens and green card holders. This came out on CBS News August 11th, 2020. The Trump administration is considering a measure that would allow U.S. border officials to deny entry to certain American citizens and green card holders suspected of being infected with the coronavirus, a policy that would expand immigration and travel restrictions already put in place during the pandemic. According to a federal government official familiar with the plans, the policy would limit the return of American citizens and legal permanent residents who are deemed by authority to pose a possible public health threat by spreading the coronavirus in the U.S. The official said the measures are part of a proposal that has yet to be approved by the administration. A Center for Disease Control and Prevention team has been working on a draft of the policy, which could be altered and would be enforced by border authorities at the Department of Homeland Security. CDC and Homeland Security officials referred questions about the plans, which were first reported by the New York Times on Monday to the White House. Public health measures allowing officials to ban U.S. citizens and green card holders from entering the country would raise legal concerns and potential court challenges, citing the threat of the pandemic. The Trump administration has already instituted several travel and immigration restrictions prohibiting non essential travel on the Mexico and Canada borders, restricting immigrants and work visas, and similar expel tens of thousands of migrants from the southern border, but it has yet to restrict the entry of U.S. citizens and green card holders. Such a measure would rely on a public health law first, enacted in the late 19th century and recodified during World War II, that the administration has been relying on to expel most border crossers and asylum seekers, including unaccompanied children. It authorized the Surgeon General to bar the introduction of persons or property posing a danger of introducing a communicable disease into the U.S. In late June, the Justice Department attorney Jean Lynn argued before the federal government that the law could hypothetically be used to turn away U.S. citizens, since the statute refers to persons, and said such policy would not necessarily be unconstitutional if executed in a very narrowly tailored way to address a particular public health crisis. The judge, Carl Nichols, who was appointed by Mr. Trump, agreed with the Justice Department that the law's language seemed broad, but he seemed skeptical of the administration's argument that the law allows officials to expel people, including U.S. citizens. Hmm. It seems to me, though, that there's a difference between barring the entry of persons, including U.S. citizens, and authorizing the removal of persons who have made it into the physical U.S., Nichols told Lynn. Well, we'll see what happens. So, I mean, if they suspect a U.S. citizen is at a border coming, into the country, and they think you are sick, they have the right to deny you entry back into the country. Wow. We'll see how this goes over. Y'all, please tell me what you think. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.